What's up guys, my name is EG. I'm a Hong Kong-based Icelandic photographer. Recently I made a video about the Greyjoy 50mm anamorphic lens. I originally got it for video. I just felt like we all got amazing equipment to work with today and I just wanted to try something different. I'm a hybrid shooter. I shoot video and photos and I was curious to see what are the images going to look like out of the 50mm Greyjoy if I use it for photography. I mean, the image circle is not fully covered. There's a little bit of a dark edge to the frame and you do have to crop them a little bit for that. Another issue about this particular lens is the variable squeeze factor. Actually, it's 1.6 at the closest point to focus and it's 1.8 at infinity. So you kind of have to eyeball it a little bit. I fully understand people who have an issue with that. I mean, if we were really going for accuracy, we would be using fully corrected spherical lenses and having the camera profile take us all the way. We can get everything accurate with modern day lenses, and that does have its place. To be honest, I haven't used my anamorphic lenses on any commercial project because it's just, at least the way that I work in the project that I work in, it's just too slow. I mean, things just need to happen quickly. The clients are looking to maximize their investment in hiring me. I'm primarily using these anamorphic lenses for personal work. And for that reason, I really can't justify using too much money on anamorphic optics. It's really big, it's really heavy. I mean, it's slowing me way down. I have to punch in to double check the focus because I don't fully trust the peaking in the camera. I don't know, I really just take my time. It's not just about the lens. It also just comes down to I pay more attention to the composition. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it for now. Please remember to give the video a like if you're into the content. If you want to watch some more stuff like this, please feel free to subscribe. If not, cool. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good one. Take care, guys.